Since last year, you have bowled more bounces than me.
Opportunity and taken. So it's all over. It's a comprehensive win here for the home team and the defending champions. They win by 43.
So here we are in a game of batters. We'll be talking about bowlers, and I have with me none other than Bhuvneshwar Kumar. First of all, bhai, congratulations
Thank
on
you.
becoming the first fast bowler to get 200 IPL wickets.
200 for Bhuvneshwar Kumar in the IPL.
One of the GOAT for the country and for the league as well. Consistently for so many years doing so well, bhai. So happy for you.
Thank you, Purna.
And congratulations. How did you feel about it?
Feel great. When you achieve something like this, I think it's more for when you retire and look back what you have done.
Excellent, Bhuvi.
But I think it's always good to get the reward what you have done for years. So yeah, I mean, it was great feeling.
Amazing. And अब आपका क्या कहना है like in terms of bowling unit, you know, every game हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि हर गेम में 200 बन रहा है और ये साल जिस तरीके से बैटिंग हो रहा है और जिस तरीके से आरसीबी अपने bowling के बारे में जा रही है, what is your take as a entire bowling unit?
I think सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे क्या लगी, that's a unsaid thing in a group since last year. जब से auction हुआ है, जब से हम as a group साथ आए हैं, we have never talked about it's a high scoring ground as a bowling unit in a meeting. I think we never put pressure on ourselves and we believed in ourselves. I think that's a good thing.
I agree. And again, I guess we have to mention especially Tim's knock as well.
Yeah.
What a 50 this is from Tim David.
Unbelievable knock. I mean, to go out in 16th over and to get a man of the match award, 4 over खेल के, 20 ball खेल के, you know, where almost 450 runs have been scored.
But Kunal, being a spinner, Chinnaswamy में, it's not easy.
He's missed out here. Kunal Pandya, left arm spin.
But अगर I think बात करें RCB के पूरे 18 साल 19 साल के, it was Chahal. I think he's totally different spinner. I think उसके बाद it's you who's doing really well. In a year you established yourself as a bowler. I mean for RCB, जिसने इतना अच्छा किया, मारना easy नहीं है इस ground पे. What's your secret for that?
Obviously, एक तो you know, as you have discussed, right? As a bowling unit, we all are taking it as a challenge. And personally, maybe when I see something which is you have all the odds against you, so that motivates you to, you know, do well. So I guess I take it as a challenge. I know chota ground hai, already run bane hue, but I'm like, okay, if I do well here, you know, against all odds, that will be so much fun. And we all prepare in practice to do well in those tough situations. So I guess that brings out the best in me.
That's up. An opportunity.